Hello everyone. If you are watching this video, then you already know that the Oracle database is natively not available for Mac operating system. Today I'll be showing you how you can install Oracle database, the Oracle 19c on Mac with Apple Silicon using Docker. As we are going to use Docker, so you have to install Docker first. You can either use the Docker desktop or the orb stack. I will go to the Docker desktop website, click that link and download it and sign up. By the way, link to this repo is in the description. Once you have Docker downloaded and installed, open it up. Here I have Docker downloaded and installed and I signed up. Alright, then go back to the repo. You have to download this installer. Click this link and you might need to create an Oracle account. So if you are visiting this website for the first time, it will ask you to log in. I have already done that. You have to download this first file, dbhome.zip. Click download and it will start downloading. Once the download is done, make sure the downloaded zip file is in your downloads folder. Now you will have to write a bunch of terminal commands to install it. Don't worry, I have already done that part for you. Go back to the repo and copy these commands. First, we copy this git clone command. Open your terminal, paste it and hit enter. Once the cloning is done, copy the next set of commands, paste the terminal and hit enter. Copy the next command, paste in your terminal and hit enter. This might ask you to enter your password. Enter your password. Might ask once or twice. And this will start building the container. It might take some time. Okay, once that's done, copy the next set of commands, paste it in your terminal and hit enter. It will ask you for your password. Once that's done, copy the next set of commands and paste that in your terminal. Hit enter. Alright. It will start building the database files. When it says database is ready to use, the Docker container is all ready for usage. Now you can just close out of your terminal, open Docker. You will see the Oracle 19c container. Alright, I will stop it for now. Now every time you have to use the database, you have to come in Docker and start this container. Here you can see the logs. It will start the database. When it says database ready to use, you can use that. Now, for connecting your database with a client, you can either use Oracle SQL Developer or you can use VS Code with the extension Oracle SQL Developer. I recommend using VS Code. So I will open up VS Code, go to extensions and search for Oracle and install this one, Oracle SQL Developer extension for VS Code. This is that one. Now we have to create a connection. Give it a name. I will log in as the admin of the database. The username is given here. And the password is also available. Copy it and paste that. I will save the password for later usage. The host name should be localhost. The port should be 1521 and the service name should be ORCL PDB1. Paste it now. Yeah, that works. Save it. Now in Oracle, if you want to use your own schema, the syntax for creating your own schema is given here. Now for example, I will just use the Oracle HR database schema, as that is quite widely used for learning. So the GitHub repo for the Oracle HR schema will also be given in the description. I will just clone this repo now. Alright. Now all the steps are written here, but I will just show you what to do. So we will just go to the cloned repo and open it in VS Code. I will close this instance. Okay. In this repo, you will see 4 SQL files. First, we have to create the account. So open the first file, select everything and click this green run button. You will get it after installing the Oracle SQL extension. So run that on your admin. Alright, so the HR is now created. Go over to this SQL Developer extension, create a new connection. This is the Oracle HR. The username should be HR, password should be HR without caps. I will save the password for future. The host name should be localhost and the service name should be ORCL PDB1. Let's test it. Yes, it works. Save it. Okay, now go to the second command, copy everything and run this. We will run this on obviously the Oracle HR database. Okay, once that's done, we'll populate the tables now. Open the third SQL file, copy everything, run that on Oracle HR. Open the fourth file, select everything, run on Oracle HR. Now let's test if the HR schema is working. Now to write your queries, click on this plus button, write a query. I will select everything from our employees table. Alright, run the statement. As you can see, it works. And the ERD for this is given in the repo. You can visit that. Alright, thank you for watching. and that is how you can install Oracle database, specifically the Oracle 19c database on your Apple Silicon MacBook. Hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you in another one.